doctors are seeing concerning trends in young people with high blood pressure.
And as our Angeline McCall tells us, a new study also backs that up.
This new report from the Journal of the American Medical Association shows a 10% increase in uncontrolled blood pressure in 2017 versus years and decades prior.
If you look at the trends overall, the trends show us that blood pressure is going up, bad cholesterol is going up, diabetes is going up, and most of that follows our trends with people being overweight and obese.
Dr. Thomas Boyden with Spectrum Health says the study reflects what he's seeing in patient rooms here in West Michigan, even in young people still in their teens or younger.
And the longer you live with these chronic medical conditions, the more likely it is that you're going to develop heart disease, vascular disease, have complications of those things, whether it's heart failure, a heart attack, or a stroke. So it's incredibly concerning as a cardiologist, as a doctor, to see young people with these chronic medical conditions at such a young age, because they're not, prior to like all these trends with our weight patterns and everything else, we weren't seeing these in young people.
Boyden says some of that increase from the study can be attributed to a change in medical guidelines as to what exactly defines a patient with hypertension. But even with that taken into consideration, there's still a significant increase in patients with high blood pressure, with doctors trying to convince them to change their lifestyle to avoid larger complications like stroke, heart failure, or heart disease.
I think the most critical thing that we do is try to get people to understand what their habits are doing to their health.
Dr. Boyden recommends simple changes, going for a 30-minute walk per day and eating less processed foods. Simple changes that could improve your cardiovascular health by 30%. In Grand Rapids, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.
And just for reference, a healthy blood pressure is considered to be less than 120/80.